questions about? Some ones, some twos, and 4. 1 can be done in Desmos, so that's fine. 2 we can do. 3 you can do in Desmos, but it doesn't really help you make your line. But we'll do 4. And 5 you can do in Desmos, so let's start with that. If I'm doing this in Desmos, so the answer we should have gotten was 7 for number 1. If you put 3 in for all the x's, it says f of 3, so that's your x. Your answer would be f of 3 equals 7 or f of x equals 7. Questions on that one?
So if you were to have like a test on a computer like SOL, right, and you said to evaluate f of x or f of 3, would it need you to write it in one of these specific ways?
Oh, that's a good question. I want to say in your test nav SOL packet, there's an example like this. Let me find that and check really fast. That's not the same. Also not the same. Okay, so no, there wasn't one like that in there. So my guess would be it would probably be like multiple choice.
Okay.
Or it would say like type in a numerical answer.
Okay,
Something
you wouldn't
like
have to
that.
write it.
I don't think so.
Okay. Just
Alright, for number 2, is this relation a function? What did we say for that one? No. They have repeating x's that go to 2 different y values. That was not a function. As I said earlier, 3 you could do in Desmos. Ladies, pay attention. Where you could use your y equals mx plus b, but because you're writing the equation and it gives you m and d, you don't really need to do that. So you would just write y equals 4x minus 9. This one can be done on Desmos, but you would have to know how to read it and know how to look at it. So I'll show that, then I'll talk about the answer. I'm going to type in y equals mx plus b. And I'm going to add in sliders. And then I'm going to count the slope on this, because since it's just shifted down, the slope is not going to change. But it looks like our slope is down 2 to the right 3. And the y-intercept that's given is at 4. But we want it to shift down 3 from that. So you would do 4 minus 3, and it should be at 1. But you could put it at 4 and put in both and see if they both. So like if I put, this is the original, and if I put in our new one, and I count the distance, it should have moved down. So then that would be the line you know, it didn't ask you to graph it, ask what was it. So then same slope, but y equals -2/3x. I need you guys to stop, whatever it is you're doing. Questions on that one? The last one you can use Desmos for. What was that? 3x?
3 plus 2, -3.
And either plot your x and y intercepts, but your x-intercept is like a decimal, so maybe not do that one. And do your y-intercept and find another point that's on your slope. That would be a slope point. -1,5 works. 1, -1 works. And so on and so forth. Yes, Jasmine.
Will Desmos be available for a question of SOL?
It should be available for all. Okay. Other questions on the shark bite? Okay. So today's flex day. If you have to finish or make up a test, you are working on that. So if your phone is not already up, those of you who need to make up a test, your phone needs to be up. If you need to finish or do Khan Academy, you could be working on that. I'll be passing out your Unit 8 tests so you can see if you want to retake or not. Those that wanted to retake previous tests, I'm going to pass that work out to you. You could be working on that. If you don't have any of those things to do, you can choose one of the activities on the back table and be working on that. Do you have any questions on what we're doing today? Use the time wisely.